In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MCP servers in ChatGPT 2026 guide. By the end, you'll have a smooth, reliable workflow for connecting a remote MCP server, calling its tools from chat, and pulling real-time results right into your conversation. First, enable developer mode, open the ChatGPT interface and look for the Ask Question bar at the top of the page. Click the plus icon next to it, choose more, and then select developer mode. You'll see a system prompt asking for confirmation. Approve it to unlock developer features. Developer mode is required for MCP connectors, so don't skip this. If you don't see it right away, refresh your browser and try again. Next, prepare your MCP server URL. Use an MCP hosting service such as Clavis or any provider you trust to create or host your remote server. Make sure authentication is set up according to your provider's requirements, typically OAuth or a similar verification flow. Keep credentials in your host's dashboard and never paste sensitive secrets into chat. Once your server is running and verified, copy the exact endpoint for the tool you plan to use. For example, a LinkedIn MCP server endpoint. This is the URL you'll add to ChatGPT. Now add the integration. In ChatGPT, go to Add More Sources, select Connect More, and look for the new MCP connector option. When the configuration panel opens, give your integration a clear descriptive name so it's easy to find later, and paste in the server URL you copied from your host. You'll see a security notice indicating this is intended only for developer use. Review it carefully, confirm you trust the source, and select I trust this application to finish adding it. As a best practice, only connect servers you control or that come from reputable providers. With the integration in place, you're ready to execute tool calls. Your new tool or widget will appear in the Connect More area or in your sources list. In the chat, type a command supported by your server, such as get profile, to trigger it. ChatGPT will prompt you to confirm the tool call. Approve that prompt, and ChatGPT will reach out to the remote API and return data in real time. Some tools may require parameters, so start with simple read actions and consult your server's documentation for command formats. The benefits of this MCP rollout are big. You no longer need official approval to use a remote MCP server. You can bring real-time, verified data from external platforms straight into your chats and manage everything in the web interface. No complex desktop JSON configs required. And that is all for today. Integrating your own MCP servers opens up endless possibilities for custom tool flows and real-time data retrieval. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.